Hey everybody, let's make it real. So going way back to one of the first websites I ever used in the classroom, we're going to look at politics1.com. It is a clearinghouse for everything you need related to anyone running for public office, state level, federal level, information about your political parties, information about your congressional candidates, gubernatorial candidates, Senate candidates. I'll show you how it works right now. So, for example, you want to see who's running for the United States Senate. It doesn't matter which one you click on. It doesn't matter if you click on Senate. It doesn't matter if you click on governor, congressional candidates. It takes you to the same map. So we're going to click on that one right now. And here you have a great map of the United States. And I'm just going to click on the great state of Illinois. And here it has all of the websites of everybody who is in office. Right down from governor, secretary of state, comptroller, treasurer, general assembly, the U.S. Senate races, and then all of the House races that you can find as well. So everything is there for you. And it has a little description of who these people are too. Every state has it. Now, if you want to look at something that's related directly to one of our lectures, we'll go to political parties. The unfortunate thing about this website at times is that it has a lot of pop-up ads, so you just got to be careful with those. But you go to political parties, and it has all of the information regarding the two major parties in the United States. So, for example, the Democratic Party has all of these committees and associations affiliated with it. The Republican Party has all of these affiliated with as well. And then you have the three major third parties, if you want to call it that way. So you have the big three third parties, the Constitution Party, the Green Party, and the Libertarian Party. And then you have smaller third parties that you find in the United States as well. A lot of them. And it has a nice description. Ron Gunzenberger, who does this website, does a great job describing. We still have a prohibition party in the United States. I don't know what they're trying to prohibit, but they do exist. And then you also have some really small parties, like the Canary Party, the Progressive Labor Party, Workers' Party USA, and so on. So if you want to find about information about anybody in office, that includes who's the president of the United States, Democratic candidates running for president, information about his website, it is all there. Politics1.com. Like I said, it's a great clearinghouse for everything that you want to find related to politics.